HYBE has stepped in to support the restoration of national heritage sites damaged by a large-scale wildfire. On April 2, HYBE stated, "We extend our deepest condolences and sympathy to everyone affected by the wildfire." As a content company engaged in the cultural industry, we hope to contribute in some way to the restoration of national heritage. The company donated 1 billion Korean won, $682,892 United States dollars, to the National Heritage Administration and the Cultural Heritage National Trust. The Cultural Heritage National Trust is a specialized corporation under the National Heritage Administration, established to preserve, manage, and operate cultural heritage sites. The funds will be used to repair and restore national heritage sites that were completely destroyed or damaged by the wildfire, as well as to restore the surrounding environment. Currently, 33 cases of damage have been reported, including the state-designated cultural heritage site Gunsa Temple in Uiseong. The Cultural Heritage National Trust expressed gratitude, stating, "We sincerely thank HYBE for supporting the restoration and value recovery of national heritage. We will work closely with the National Heritage Administration to expedite the restoration process and ensure the heritage sites regain their historical value." See also, THEBLACKLABEL is hosting its large-scale global audition this year.